Today I'm going to show you how to install apps on your JVC Smart TV. After I show you the instructions on how to install these apps, I will show you some apps that you might want to install first to get you some free movies and TV shows. On most JVC TVs, including the JVC Roku TV, first thing you're going to want to do is press the home button. Then go to select streaming channels. They call them channels, but they really are just apps. Search for the channel you want to install, for example, one like Hulu or Disney Plus. Then select channel and then add channel. Now here are a few apps I think you should check out. The first one is Locast. This is for those of you that want to get local channels on your TV and you don't want to set up an antenna. This would be the one to check out. 3 other free and legal apps that are worth checking out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. Again, these are free apps and they have a lot of movies, TV shows, and sports channels. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.